We've never mentioned it before, but you can make $600 for free using just one piece of software. You will be compensated with $600 if you use this software. It's available both on iOS and Android, and it's absolutely free to download. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you two other apps that have nothing to do with the third. The first two apps will just compensate you for downloading them. So now you know how to use those three apps to obtain the best results and make the most money. So the first two applications will essentially let you earn some passive income for free, because all you have to do is install them, as I previously stated. So I'll show you those two applications, and then I'll show you a third app that we haven't discussed yet, but that will pay you $600 for free. Welcome to the Money Maker, where we teach people on the most current, up-to-date money-making techniques online. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications so you will be notified when we upload a new video. Finally, please leave a comment down below. Returning to the video, you must first create and have your own PayPal account before heading to the website. So you go to paypal.com and click this link to sign up for 100% free account. Fill in the relevant information and connect into your own PayPal account. If you don't want to use that option, you can start your own bank account online by searching for online bank account in my country on Google and creating a free account on the online banking website. With everything out of the way, I'm going to jump onto my computer and explain everything. And that's before I'm going to show you the app that's going to pay you $600 for doing nothing. I only have two more apps to show you. So in this video, I'm going to show you three distinct apps. But first, I'm going to show you a bunch of apps that will pay you to do nothing. All you have to do is set them up and forget about them. After that, you can focus on the final topic. By the time I teach you how to earn over $600 for free, you'll have these two apps providing you with passive income. Yes, you will be compensated for doing nothing with these two free apps. All you have to do now is put them in place. Then I'll show you the third app, which will provide you $600 in exchange for nothing. This is the first time we've ever mentioned anything like this on the channel, as I've previously stated. As a result, it'll be a terrific video, so make sure you stay until the end of this video. The first website we'll visit is SMSapp.com. This is their official website, but we'll just use a smartphone to download the app. This is a free program that allows you to earn money online by getting SMS generated by the system and clients. Now, all you have to do is download it on your smartphone, set up an account, and it will start sending you random messages. You are not obligated to respond to those messages. They're worthless in every way. They are simply numbers that you are familiar with, which you can delete as soon as you receive them, but you will still be compensated for each SMS you receive. As a result, no effort is necessary. You will likely receive an SMS, and all you have to do now is sign up for this app. They'll send you new text messages every day, and you'll be compensated for each one, like I mentioned. So basically, you can come work here, learn more about how it works, but keep an eye on the following webpage because it is only for Android users. So you won't be able to make any money with the Money SMS app unless you have an Android device. Because only Android allows you to read SMS messages, their app is only available for Android. All you have to do is download it and get paid for receiving text messages using their money-making software. Because it does not read any of your data, even private conversations, and only reads their own SMS, their software is extremely secure. As a result, they won't steal or read your mails. I did a lot of research on this app and found that people are quite pleased with the amount of money they're generating with it. They're also pleased with how the system functions, as you can see, because it's totally automated. The app allows you to earn money without having to do anything. They also have a great referral program where you can earn 30% of the revenue of your referrals. If you suggest a friend to this app and they sign up, you'll get $30 for free, absolutely passively for the rest of your life after they start making money for $100. They'll provide you with passive revenue. Sure, there are a variety of ways to generate passive income with money. This SMS app is available for no cost. It will never cost you anything because it will always be free. In other words, join up for automated SMS messages and get paid for nothing. Here are some screenshots of the dashboard and app. I'm going to put the app on my phone. This is how it will look. This is your referral code, which you can share with your relatives and friends. You may also post it on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with various Facebook groups about making money online, telling them about the app and how they can earn passive income from it, and then providing them your referral link so that you can continue to earn passive income from your referrals. As you can see, this software contains a lot of useful functions regardless of whether it's a hoax or not. If you're not sure whether they pay their users, you can check the proof of payment for many of them on an independent website right here. They'll also take all essential precautions to ensure that they adhere to the newest GDPR privacy policy rules. On this page, you may learn more about them and see how people are profiting from them. Before we go any further, like I've mentioned, I've done a lot of research and this website works. I'll give you a few seconds to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you like what you've seen so far. Please leave a comment down below if you're finding this video interesting and informative. We'd be delighted to hear from you. It's time to return to work and start earning some money. Let's get back to the video now. The next website is called cashmagnetapp.com, and it can help you earn some free passive income. Obviously, the app's name is a money magnet and you'll download it to your Android device. Again, this is exclusively for Android users, but keep an eye out for the final app, which will be accessible for both iOS and Android users. And at the end, I'll give you something for free. As a result, make sure to watch this video all the way through. At the end, you can get money from your Android phone, which pays you for every minute you spend using it. As you can see, you don't have to do anything because Cash Magnet aggregates all of the best rewards programs you'd like to participate in. This one will pay you far more than the Money SMS app. As a result, we're working our way up from the lowest to the highest paying positions. You are not required to take any action, so either watch commercials or play games. While you sleep or do something else, money will come in. You could be having lunch, drinking outside, reading the news, or doing anything else that you do every day. Just do it on a daily basis. You'll still be compensated for installing the app and leaving your phone alone. As a result, expect to earn several times as much. You'll be able to acquire a fresh new phone that operates for you around the clock after only a few months of using the Cash Magnet app. Hundreds of thousands of their satisfied clients do it every single day. As a result, you can essentially get a new phone. It is entirely risk-free. You can keep it for 2 months after you've used it, and they guarantee that your personal information and data will not be exploited in any way. Earn money by doing nothing with your phone. It's truly passive revenue. To discover more about the cashmagnetapp.com, go to cashmagnetapp.com. This is an Android app that will allow you to make some extra money. Because you're not using your phone, you can simply leave it out there with the app installed and earn money without exerting any effort. If you don't want to put this onto your personal phone for whatever reason, you might be able to put it on another device. You might put it on a device that you don't like to use, such as an alt phone, and it will create passive revenue for you. You don't have to use it if you leave it out there. You can generate even more passive income if you install it on as many devices as you have in your home. It's also without charge. All of these programs are, once again, entirely free. There is no need to spend any money. The last app we'll use is this one right here, which I'll tell you the name of it in a moment. This one, on the other hand, will pay you $600, allowing you to earn up to $600 every single month. All you have to do is download this software on either iOS or Android, which is available on both the App Store and the Google Play Store, and start listening to music. So there'll be no complaints in the comments that it only works for Android or only works for iOS, because this one works for both sides and you'll get paid just for listening to music. Install the app, listen to music, and you'll get more points. You'll make more money the more you listen to music. So in essence, you're being compensated for listening to music in your spare time. So you may search and listen to your favorite music while also earning money by browsing and playing from over 100,000 radio stations. So you don't have to waste time listening to uninteresting songs on SoundCloud. You can truly make money while listening to music you adore. I mean, I'm sure you all listen listen to music on a daily basis, you may now get paid for doing so, and you can earn points by listening to your favorite music, shopping using your points, and much more. As you can see, this app is available in a variety of countries, and you can download it onto your smartphone and begin making money immediately. This app is currently available in the Google Play Store and Apple Store as previously indicated. The app's name is current.us. So this is the name of the website, and this is what the logo should look like. Simply go to your App Store or Google Play Store and check for the latest software to discover more about it. That's all there is to it. Take a peek at my other videos if you enjoy similar topics. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel by pressing the notification bell. If you have any further questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.